Hi, hello buddies. I am RJ Rohita, grade 8 from Primbits Garden School. This is a message from Savitri by Arbindo. A franchise from the net of artisans clam continent of potential way glimpsed. Homelands of beauty shut to human eyes. Half seen at first through wonders gleaming lids. Surprised the vision with felicity. Sunbelts of knowledge, moonbells of delight, stretched out in an ecstasy of witnesses beyond our Indian corporal range. Thank you. Bye. Hi, hello buddies. Now RJ Rohita, grade 8 from Primbits Garden. Today's Karmayogi Appa message. To overcome such hesitation and lingering sensitivity, man sometimes resort to overdoing is idle. Thank you. Bye.
ஹாய் ஹலோ buddies, I'm RJ Likith Great 10 from Primbas Garden. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம ஷோவில் 80லாம் உயர்வில் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற பர்சன் ஹிராக்கு நக்கமுரா இஸ் an American chess grandmaster, streamer and 5-time US chess champion who has become one of the most recognizable figures in the chess world. Born in Japan in 1987, he moved to United States as a child and earned his grandmaster title at just 15, making him the youngest American to do so at the time. Now, for the aggressive and tactical style, Nakamura has consistently ranked among the top players globally with a peak fight rating of 2,816 and a current ranking of number 2 in the world. Beyond the board, Nakamura has revolutionized chess as a digital sport. He is the most popular chess streamer on platforms like Twitch and YouTube, although blends a high-level play with entertaining commentary. His influence helped spark a surge in online chess popularity, especially during the pandemic. He is also the reigning World Fisher Random Chess Champion and a regular contender in elite tournaments like the Candidates and Grand Chess Tour. Recently, he been in the spotlight not just for his play, but also for a public feud with fellow Grandmaster Fabiano Caruana over cheating concerns in online events like Title Tuesday. Off the board, Nakamura has partnered with TipRanks, a financial analytics platform, to showcase how strategic thinking in chess can translate to smart investing. And இந்த இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள் அண்ட் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். மறக்காமல் பெல் பட்டனை ஐகான் ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஷோவில் பார்க்கலாம். இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்கான பிளேஸ் பற்றி நெக்ஸ்ட் ஷோவில் பார்க்கலாம். பாய்.